Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for DXY, or the US dollar currency index. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting with the main count here that we've been following for quite some time, in which we have already completed 1-2 of primary degree and then looking for a 1-2 here of intermediate and completing that third of intermediate here, fourth of intermediate, and now we are creating that fifth of intermediate. Now wave 3 here was already extended quite a bit in comparison to wave 1 here, so we don't need to be expecting a fifth extension here. However, again, we have already come back down to the previous highs that we had here, even this with this low before this last dump. Let's zoom in a bit. So we can't really say that we had a 1, 2, 3. Because again, we are getting really overlapping in here. So what I got actually here is a potential 5-wave up, 3 waves back, 5-wave up, and 3-wave back. Again, creating a 1-2, 1-2 setup. Previously, we had the wave 2 at these lows here, but at the moment, I feel like it fits quite well with this 3-way structure like so. Whether the X is up in here or here does not really matter. We can be placing it both ways. If we have it like this, if we are looking at, for example, 30-minute, we have this as an A, B, and then looking for C wave. And here in the last bit of that C wave, we would have 1, 2, 3, where we would have that lowest RSI, creating divergence between the third of fifth around here. Around here, and then between the end of that fifth, creating this double divergence, which is again always welcome on any 5-way structure, and is what we are actually expecting. Since then, again, we've had some kind of pump up upwards. However, it is not as clear as we would like to. There is possible 5-way structure in here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 back. But again, this is very overlapping again. So we'll see how this turns out. The expectation for this higher time frame count is that we are actually creating quite a lot of higher highs here. 1.618 is, here, $122, give or take, even for this minute scale or minute degree. And again, after that, we would be expecting a fourth and fifth of this minor degree before ending that fifth and third of primary scale or primary degree, and then again looking for downwards. But that is very bullish. So again, I have another count here that is not my main, but I've shown you this before as well, in which instead of having this as third of minor here, we have cramped these structures in here a bit more tighter, so we could actually fit a third of primary already in here, fourth of primary almost getting to the 382 here, and then we would have some expanding diagonal into the fifth of primary, ending it soon here. So in this one again, why I even thought of this is just because of the idea that all of these wave structures definitely look better as 3-way structures. So all of these are definitely feeling and fitting the 3-way structure way better than the 5-ways. Somewhat need to be forcing the 5-way count in here. For example, this one, you have to be labeling it like that and not like this. So yeah, you get the point. It is not very good looking with the 5-way structures. However, possible of course. Now, both of these scenarios are looking up higher. In this one, I would be expecting $120 area. Because again, if this is an expanding diagonal, we would be expecting wave 5 to be larger than wave 3 before pivoting downwards. So yeah, that's that basically. At the moment, if we are coming back down and taking out these previous lows, I don't really have a good looking count for that. So at the moment, I'm still way more bullish, or more biased towards the bull side. If we are taking out these lows here around the $107 area, and only then I'm going to be looking for more bearish options. I don't think this is topped out as of yet. So yeah, that's that. If that happens again, I need to be making a new video and taking another look. But for now, I think that is pretty much everything I want to share. Both these counts are still valid and both of them are still being tracked here. But if you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video, bye bye.